Alright guys, we're under a marginal risk. Would you look at that? Ooh, a slight risk. I want to see what that has. Alright, slight risk for Oklahoma City, so Oklahoma City better get down that day. What the hell? Holy crap!
New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 4 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., gusty showers with isolated thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Pine Beach to 16 nautical miles northwest of Atlantic City, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Little Egg Reef, Ship Bottom, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State South Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Fort River, La Valette, Beach Haven, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Little Egg Inlet, Seaside Park, Pine Beach, and Brigantine.
What?
Here is the official National Weather Service.
Oh my god! That's my first alert! 2023 first warning!
Southeast wind 5 to 10.
Yo, let's go! It hasn't even been 5 minutes yet!
Northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey,
Oh, SPR!
southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Bucks County in
Dude, what's the SPC risk for today?
4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over the road, 13 miles northwest of Trenton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour, 7.25 size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Ewing, Princeton, Jamesburg, Highttown, Cranberry, Pennington, New Hope, Yardley, Hopewell, Allentown, Rocky Hill, Stockton, Washington Crossing, Dillon, Princeton Meadows, Windsor, Kingston, Dayton, and Plainsboro Center. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 9. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 8. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 62 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.
Bucks. Doubleheader.
The current time is
Dang it!
3:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
There it is. That's the storm. It's coming soon.
Tornado warning for
Oh, tornado warning!
Mercer County in central New Jersey, west central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County.
Holy crap!
Until 4:15 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Edinburgh, or 7 miles east of Trenton, moving east at 45 miles.
Oh my god!
Tornado. Source, radar.
Tornado warning!
Flying debris will be dangerous to the
Holy god! Oh my god!
will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Alright, let's keep it.
Tree damage is likely.
Go get the good blood.
Locations
All right.
affected include Highttown, Cranberry, Roosevelt. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike.
No way!
Hey, Donatello.
Hey Donatello, we got a tornado warning.
Can you stop filming in that house?
For an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy
From
building.
outside then.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, and
Alright.
Monmouth.
Why?
Here is the official national.
Severe thunderstorm warning! Double!
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 4:30 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manalapan for 16 miles south of New Brunswick, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Manalapan, Roosevelt, Yorktown, West Freehold, and Hazeltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes.
Oh my god!
Significant damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the
Is
following
this
counties.
yes?
New Jersey.
NOS employees reporting T-storm wind.
The official National Weather Service forecast for the coastal
Tornado. Down. That's hail.
minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Newark, Jersey City, Jamaica, Yonkers, Patterson. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties: Somerset,
That's hail. Yo, we got hail going through our area.
Morris, North
Hail.
Sussex,
Guys, hail cores right on top of us.
Monroe, and northeastern Northampton counties through 4:45 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking gusty showers.
Good guys.
Winds around 5 miles.
Good job, radios.
Southeast around 5 miles per hour.
You got went off for tornado warning. Did you get off for a tornado warning? You never went off.
A chance of rain
I think that thing is dead.
likely after midnight. Areas of fog. Lows around 40.
Oh, my V15 did activate. Yeah, it did activate. So
Southeast winds 5 to 10.
519 went off for.
Chance of rain 60%.
Let's see.
Thursday, partly sunny.
Oh, that looks so good. Tornado warning.
Of fog in the morning. Not as cool times in the lower 60s.
I have not seen this baby go off for a tornado warning since
Chance of rain 60%.
ES comp number 1,
Partly cloudy in the evening.
which was about like what 6 months ago. No, that was like over nearly a year ago.
Coming west 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35
Wow,
miles
thank
per
you guys
hour.
for watching. I really hope that this is. Oh my God! Such good coincidence!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has
Special Marine warning!
for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Mana, Swan Inlet, New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 7 nautical miles north at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts.
Mom, it was a special Marine warning. This has capable of producing waterspouts.
Locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations include Seagirt Reef, Bright, Sandy Hook Reef, and Point Pleasant Beach.
Alright, let's see if a doubleheader.
Here is the regional weather forecast. For
Why another SPR? Shut up.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 5.
Why? Why another severe thunderstorm warning?
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Leisure Village east to Lakehurst, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Lakewood, Beechwood, Point Pleasant Beach.
Imagine if we get a doubleheader. I will scream my head off.
Village, Dover Beaches North, Holiday City South, Pleasant Plains, Cedar Glen West, Leisure Village East, Dover Beaches South, Holiday City Berkeley, Brick Township, Pine Ridge and Crestwood, Leisure Village West, Pine Lake Park, Ramtown, and Point Pleasant. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 76 and 94. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Ocean, New Jersey.
Come on, doubleheader.
Here is the region.
Moly. This is remnants of what I call Marginal Storm Will. Yeah, Marginal Storm Will, named after me. That looks beautiful. That was a strong coincidence during the outro to this thing. Thank you to Bluey for the from the Iron Chill Zone for getting me a GR2 analysis to make sure that that tornado wasn't heading for my house. So yeah, it was heading for my house, but thankfully it dissipated. So that's good. I'm tired now. Thanks for watching. It's like 10 right now, so bye. Just a little note, please have a weather radio in your house. It saves your life. Just look at this entire EAS compilation.
Goo goo gaga. I want